my name is Thais, and this week's free printable is inspired by the first episode of the new season of our Big Life Kids podcast, and it will help you to demonstrate authentic positivity in ways you and your child will appreciate. What parenting with authentic positivity sounds like printable includes key phrases you can use and reflective journaling prompts. Don't forget to download your free Friday printable on this link right here, and also tag us and use #BigLifeJournal. I'll see you next week with another free printable. Bye!